Hi.
Yes.
You were in the middle of something.
No. It was post, so I was like,
Yeah. You were talking to everybody else.
no, I was not. Come on.
You did that. You left me alone in this whole world. Yeah. So, so there was this rapid fire round that everybody was saying that we should have. So, are you ready with your coffee with Karan moment?
Okay.
There,
Okay.
there, there's no hamper that we have right now because the quarantine. Other,
It's okay. How rapid? How how rapid the fire is.
you can get any question and you'll have to quickly answer in 5 seconds or less. Just think
Okay.
and answer. Don't think much as in. Okay, so should we start the tick
Yeah.
tick?
Okay.
Okay, everybody. How do I do those lights that Karan Johar does? I have very low production value. Anyway, so okay, let's start with the rapid fire round with Amrita Suresh. So here are your questions. What's your favorite
Too much
current
of
song?
built up. Huh?
What's your favorite current song?
लग जा गले. Anytime favorite. के फिर हंसी रात हो ना हो. Anytime favorite.
You just so smoothly blend into the Hindi baritone as well. It doesn't feel that because mostly what happens is that there's a certain baritone that comes when someone from the south speaks Hindi, but you seamlessly just break that barrier as well.
Thank you. It's a really big compliment because um, I really work hard to get the proper
Yeah.
slang. I always feel that I always fail in the slang, so I always try my level best to bring the proper slang, kind of imitate, and then for since we people really don't speak in Hindi in our everyday life, we
Yeah.
have this problem of slang ka jo problem hai na, like the
Yeah.
glides and so. But then, thank you. That's a big compliment for me. I really.
So for the next few minutes, we will not concentrate on anything else but the questions because rapid fire has lost its meaning just now
Oh my
because
God!
there
I'm
was no
sorry. Come on, just shoot.
there was no rapidness anymore. Okay. Get ready again.
Yes. Please.
Fire round begins now. So, who's your Bollywood celebrity crush?
Currently, Ranveer Singh.
Ooh, okay. So, all-time favorite musician.
So many, like Lataji anytime, and then
Uh-huh.
ARR, Rahman sir, then all Ehsan sir, Shankar sir, a lot of musicians.
Okay, who is the person who you want to have a dream collaboration with?
Rahman sir.
Okay. So, and one other small other question. If you were getting bored at your house, so would you play poker on poker bazi or would you do balle or betting on balle
I
bazi?
normally don't play poker. I'm not a poker person, but I would prefer poker
Okay.
bazi for sure if I play.
Yeah. Poker bazi would be really happy to hear that. Ha. So that was so who's your sorry, yeah. So who's your favorite Bollywood musician among those ones who do playback singing for major Bollywood movies? If you had to pick one.
Um, like I said, I'm always a Lataji fan, and right now I am a Shreya Ghoshal fan, and I love Kavita Krishnamurthy songs, and then like
Among
so many.
among the contemporary artists who are here,
Uh, a lot, because I am like really dreaming to collaborate with a lot of current musicians. So just I really don't want to point out anybody. Just don't do that.
okay,
I love.
nothing happened. Okay. So, how about we get to hear another one of your beautiful songs? Let's say, how about Mariville?
Huh?
Mariville
Mari
is if I'm pronouncing that correctly.
Marivilla is again a song composed by my sister in the movie called Sulla. My sister
Oh,
composed and we both sang together. It's more of a instrumental like instrumental, like a very soft kind of a song, guitar based. So I really don't know how it will work here, but I'll just sing 2 lines.
okay.
മാരിവില്ലേ തേരിറങ്ങനി ഈ കുഞ്ഞു കൂട്ടിൽ വർണ്ണമേകിടാം. It just go on like that. It has a lot of space in between. So if you don't have a guitar backing, it won't sound really nice without that. So
I can be tongue, but I don't think I'll be able to cover up with my ting 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 ta na 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 na. No, I don't think it'll work. We've been working since a long time. So
can you
did
sing a
you?
lullaby song for my daughter? Yeah.
Please.
माँ सुनाओ मुझे वो कहानी जिसमें राजा न हो ना हो रानी. माँ सुनाओ मुझे वो कहानी जिसमें राजा न हो ना हो रानी. जो हमारी तुम्हारी कथा हो. ला 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 चांदनी हो. ला 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 आसमानी. माँ सुनाओ मुझे वो कहानी जिसमें राजा न हो ना हो रानी. I forgot the lyrics actually.
I didn't even notice that you were forgetting anything. That's really nice. Your daughter is really lucky to have to sleep to that. It's really nice. So, what would be your recommendations to someone who's a newcomer and who wants to join this music industry in which you are? If specifically, if you want to talk about the Malayali industry as well, you can do that. But as a newcomer, a new singer, how should he approach this industry?
Entertainment altogether, especially music industry, is very competitive, and so I would always suggest that you should always complete your studies or whatever, like a backup. That will really help you at some point of time. And what I would really love to tell everyone is that ups and downs are common in our life. So we'll never stop dreaming. Like, just dream big. Always dream big. And you never know what, today maybe you are sad, you never know what happens tomorrow. So just never lose the hope. Always be positive. Just think that your day will come and just wait for it. Don't just, it's always, especially musicians, like all of us, most musicians, all of us, yeah, we are very light-hearted people, and we are very, very emotional, over emotional, because we deal a lot more with music and melodies and stuff. We are too much of emotional people. So chances for us to have a breakdown was very high. So just don't lose your hope. Be strong. Like, your day will come, and then just dream big and be happy. Keep on smiling. Always bear a smile on your face and just move on. Everything will fall in place.
Yeah. Thank you so much for your inspiring words. I hope there are people in the comments and those who are watching who might be.
One movie കാണാണോ? റാസ് ഇത് ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് മൂവി കാണുന്നതുകൊണ്ടല്ല, നമ്മളെ ഈ ചാനൽ ഞാൻ നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞതാണ്, നമുക്ക് നമ്മുടെ ഭാഷ അറിയാത്തൊരു സ്ഥലം ആയതുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ ഇങ്ങനെ സംസാരിക്കുന്നതാണ്. മുഹമ്മദ് ഫറൂഖ് മലയാളം അറിയില്ല. എന്റെ മുഹമ്മദേ ഒന്ന് നോക്ക്, ഇത് മലയാളം ചാനൽ അല്ല. എന്നിട്ടും ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞത് ഒന്നും മനസ്സിലാക്കാണ്ട് ഈ പാവം ഹോസ്റ്റ് അവിടെ നിന്ന് കേട്ടോണ്ട് ഇതേ തല ആട്ടുന്നു, ഷേക്കിംഗ് ഹിസ് ഹെഡ്, അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡിങ് എവറിഥിങ്. സോ that's all.
Responding because I like to nod my head when I hear that's how I am. Yes. That was really nice. So I think we all had a very beautiful session with Amrita today. And before we close it as such, can you just give it another one more beautiful song that you really feel for or something, so that we can just...
I'll sing a Jewish song. So we did this, our band did this song like 5 years back, and the song is Hawa Nagila. So we are the first Indian band to perform Hawa Nagila, and our song was featured in Israel as the first Indian band to perform Hawa Nagila. So the lyric mean like let's be happy, like brothers and sisters, let's rejoice. I mean the whole lyric comes right like. So I'll just hum a bit of that.
Yeah.
Hava Nagila, Hava Nagila, Hava Nagila Venus Meham. Hava Nagila, Hava Nagila, Hava Nagila Venus Meham. Avanarinna, Avanarinna, Avanarinna Venus Meham. Urwahim balaf sameyum, 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 urwahim.
And the crowd goes like, Amrita, 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 Amrita.
I'm so glad that I got a wonderful host today.
No, that was real. No, it's you who's making the session amazing and lively with your beautiful voice. And we're really thankful to you for joining in today with Seven Entertainment. And so this Quarantunes is something which is a great initiative by Seven Entertainment, I feel, because it helps.
Actually, you know what? I'm following all the lives. Like last day it was Tasin sir, and then so I'm really looking forward for the upcoming
Connect with people, amazing artists like you, and that's something everybody who's listening on to. You can come on every day from the morning till night. There are live sessions every hour going on with amazing artists just like Amrita here, and you get to have a lot
amazing hosts just like Sarthak as well.
Yeah, if you say so. But yeah, the artists are definitely something you can look forward to, and you can. No, Amrita, you're still there. Is your connection there?
Yes, I'm here. I'm here. I'm not going. So thank you so much, Seven Entertainments, for inviting me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Seven Entertainments, and then you and the whole crew, everyone. And just want to say, everybody, like, stay home, stay safe.
And we would also like to thank Pokerbazi as well, because they are the ones who are helping us organize such beautiful events across Seven Entertainment's channels. So thank you, Amrita. It was really beautiful.
Thank you, Pokavasi. Thank you, Seven Entertainments. Thank you, Satvik. Thank you, whole crew. Thank you, all the listeners over here. Everybody, thank you so much. Good night.
Good night and have a great day and have a safe. Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, everybody. Thank you for joining in.